Okay, so right here we have the P365. I have wiped it down just to make this video go a little quicker. Take down, lock the slide back, obviously make sure the mag's out, everything's unloaded, everything's safe. Rotate that lever down, and then just let the slide go forward. It hangs up a little bit there, but no big deal. All right, we're gonna start with the lower unit. And you can see a little bit of wear up here on the front of the slide rails. A little bit of wear right there. Really nothing you wouldn't expect for 500 rounds of the gun. Now, we get right here. We'll first take a look at the barrel. Now remember, this gun has had 500 rounds through it today, or had 250 today, 250 at another range session, and then whatever they put through it in factory. You can see some wear marks which are kind of unusual right up here at the front of the hood. Usually I expect more mating in right here where the actual front of the hood versus just this top portion right here. Not much wear right here in the lugs, which is surprising because there's quite a bit of peening up there in those front two corners. Now back to the barrel. Not much unusual besides that wear right there. It is kind of unusual to me. After 500 rounds, I would expect a little more wear right here where the barrel mates up, but not right there. Alright, so now looking at the slide, a lot of wear right up here in the front where the barrel hood's going to be sliding, so that matches up to this to a degree, to the wear on the barrel hood. Again, there is peening. It doesn't look to be as significant as was on the other gun. Now there is also barrel wear right here on the outside of this hole on the top side, not on the bottom. And there's significant wear. This is not actually just brass. There's a little bit of brass on there, obviously, but it looks like the finish is worn completely through on this part of the gun. Pretty normal for most guns, but usually I don't see that this soon into the process. Now another thing that's really weird and interesting to me on this gun is the amount of wear on this breech face. Just a lot of wear up here at the top. I'm used to right here, you can see where the bullet, or where the brass had been sitting. There's always wear right there, but I've not seen the amount of wear that I'm seeing on this gun right here at the top portion. So this finish is just about stripped off this entire back portion of the gun, minus right there in the middle you can see. And I'm not, that actually looks like it is the finish and not just grime. But we'll see. The gun does seem to have a little more wear than most others, like a Glock or a Smith & Wesson Shield. But it's something I can live with for the features this gun brings. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys later.